Hey, so this is my stimulus check update and my stimulus package update for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. And there's a lot to talk about, so let's get started. The Senate has officially approved the $480 billion package to help small businesses, hospitals, and to expand testing. Now, $300 billion of that is going directly to the PPP, the Payment Protection Program, which ran out of money last week. We heard Shake Shack and Potbelly and other big businesses were sneaking into the program, stealing the money that was meant for small businesses, which are defined as businesses that have 500 employees or less. Now, Shake Shack did give their money back, but that was only after it was too late for many small businesses to keep their operations afloat. So the money unfortunately dried up quickly, but now there's more on the way. Remember, the PPP is the program for forgivable loans. So there's certain criteria that need to be followed in order for the loans to be forgivable. You have to make sure that the money is being used to pay for rent, utilities, mortgages, employee salaries, or your monthly salary. Now there's another part to this package that's very exciting, and that's the increased authorization of emergency EIDL grants. So not the forgivable loans, these are the grants. So before there was $10 billion, but now we have an additional $10 billion soon to become available. Originally, the SBA claimed that anyone who filled out an application could get up to $10,000 in grant money. Free money, essentially. But later they revised it to $1,000 per employee, up to $10,000 max. Now, I did this for my business, and I applied when it first became available, and I actually just recently got my payment, so that was very nice to see. Essentially, you could think of this as an extra $1,000 in stimulus checks per employee. That's something you could really take advantage of once the website opens up for applications again. Currently, it says they are unable to accept new applications because there's no money left. They are still processing old applications. That's probably why my grant money just showed up in my bank account a few days ago. Either way, this page is probably going to go live again once the House passes the package and the President signs it, which he's already indicated his support. My guess is the site could go live again as soon as next week. I will leave the link down in the description for you to go check out on your own. The significance of this is that they not only increased the forgivable loan money, they also doubled the available grant money. If you already applied, you might want to hold tight. Again, when I applied, it took a few weeks for me to get my payment. So hang in there and keep checking your bank account. Now let's move on to the $1,200 stimulus checks. Over 80 million have received it, but another half of taxpayers have not. There's a few big reasons why you probably haven't received your stimulus check, but if you've already looked through those and none of them apply, you might be getting a paper check. The estimated schedule for paper check delivery is out. They will be starting with the lowest incomes who need it the most. And listen, I know the portal sucks, but you have to imagine it's a huge traffic jam right now. Everyone wants their money at the same time. Now, thinking ahead, there are currently 3 stimulus proposals that could potentially get passed to provide ongoing financial support. The first one is the Emergency Money for the People Act, which would provide $2,000 in monthly stimulus checks for up to 1 year. The Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act, which would cancel rent and mortgage payments for up to 1 year. And the Getting America Back to Work Act, which would provide a payroll tax rebate that would cover 80% of payroll expenses. This would enable businesses to hire workers more easily and retain employees. So these proposals are going to start getting more attention in the coming weeks. The president has mentioned consideration for future stimulus. Others are putting up their caution flags about the massive amounts of debt being accumulated. So there's a lot to consider here. We'll see what ends up happening. I will keep you updated here on my channel. If you found any value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate all your support. If you're interested in online business, personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will do my best to give you an accurate answer. Always feel free to leave your thoughts. I love reading through all the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.